Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make USD 50 USD per sale with this affiliate marketing. As you know, affiliate marketing is all about earning commission per sale you made. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make 50 USD per any sale you made by doing affiliate marketing. These affiliate marketing opportunities also is a way of earning passive income, and it can help you to generate passive income also while making money online. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see now, I'm using my computer, and normally when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to be having the given platform you are working it through, either physical one, either online one. However, as we are just exploring the internet opportunities, we are using the affiliate marketing, the online affiliate marketing opportunities. So what you need to do is to come here and search for webhostingpad.com, and also once you are done with this one, you can be able to search with web hosting pad. As you can see, I have a web hosting pad here. This is the platform I'm going to be using. Also, I have to open this website. This web hosting pad, also after opening this website, which is called web hosting pad, it's going to be directing me to the platform and the given services they are providing to this platform. As you know, when you're doing affiliate marketing, of course, you're referring people to be coming and purchasing the given services on the given platform. And also from this platform, you can see they are selling different kind of hostings, domain names. Also, you have programs including affiliate, newsletter programs, refer a friends. Also, they have domain. If you want to be purchasing a domain, you can be clicking here on buy the given domain you need. You can also be able to claim a free domain name unit. What you do is to come here and see TLDS domain names, and also you are probably most familiar with this one, but you can be getting other TLD one, which you can see here. What you do now, you can come here to the websites. You can see, if you come to websites, there is WordPress hosting, there is mini hosting plans, there is a VPS hosting. And also what we do is to come here first and explore the different services which are available here. There is web builder, and you can see, for instance, if I open this web builder, you can see it is gonna open, and it opens here up here. Here you can be able to pay 1.99 per month. Regularly it's 4.49 per month, which means if you refer someone is gonna be paying 1.99 per month. You can click here to explore more details to see what are they providing here. These 1000 mobile friendly themes and templates. It's building e-commerce and SEO features. Also, you can be able to create unlimited pages for free. Each drag and drop technology can be able to work. So what you do now here is to come here and search for this one. Let's go back and see. You can see we have now mini hosting. You have WordPress hosting. Let's see, we have WordPress hosting, and we have WordPress hosting, which is costing such amount of money, 2.99 per month. So you can see they have up to 5.9 per month if you want the given free trusted CSS SSL certificates, 3 times the computing power, unlimited email accounts, and also you have free features on all WordPress plans. Design and grow your website is WordPress, backed by our powerful and secure hosting plans. So now you have Power the Plan Plus WordPress Basic, which is costing such amount of money. Also, we have a VPS plans package where you can be able to sell the VPS package for this platform. I'll see if I need a VPS. You can see they have even a mini hosting. So the VPS start up to 19.95 per month, and you can see how much you can be able to get. This you get to be getting 250 bandwidth, 80 GB disk to dedicated IP address. You can see they have the VPS plan Tinum, which is 44.95 per month. And also you can see they are having now 40-day money back warranty. This is a good thing that can be helping you to promote these services and influence other people to come and purchase or refer other people to come and purchase these services. For instance, they also powered by VCM Complete Solution. Let's try to open it and see these are VPSs. VGM Complete Solutions. These are VHM. Now as you can see, this is one which is PowerEase. Now let's see this one. If I come to VPS, starting from 29.95 USD is a gold plan, and we can be paying this 100 for VPS managed. Now their features they are providing here, you are gonna be getting 8 GB memory stuff, 3 dedicated IPs. You are gonna be getting 2 GB memory stuff, and you get also 2 dedicated IPs. You're gonna be getting 4 GB memory, 3 dedicated IPs. These are what you're gonna be getting here, of course. So now what we need to do is to come here to the affiliate program and see how much money you can be able to make and how you can be able to get it started. After you have understood the given services we'll be selling here, so if you want to be coming to affiliate, you can be clicking here on the programs. You can see there is an affiliate programs here. You can pass through here. For instance, if I click on affiliate here link, it is going to be also taking me to this page, and they're going to be explaining that you can be able to earn. It's 100% to sign up and start earning. It's automated tracking and the commission dashboard. Then also you can be able to advertise on social media or email newsletters. You can be able to make post your banners which are pre-made, and the custom promo codes which can be helping you to promote these services and be able to make money as well. As you can see now, you can be able to earn 50 USD per sale you made, each qualifying sale. That means if person purchases the given package, you're gonna be earning 50 USD per that sale which have been successfully made. So here are the features that you can be considering if you're gonna be starting this affiliate marketing program. The first thing, you'll be able to earn 50 for each sale. Also, you will be able to receive monthly payouts. You will be of course be able to get free sign up. You can be able to sign up for free. Additionally, you can be able to also to track real or live your performance, either the shared links, the clicks, and each action which have been performed through your affiliate links. There are pre-made ads and the coupon codes, and also there are affiliate supports and direct help. So now you can be signing up here. Once you are done signing up, you have to advertise it. And also once you advertise it, you have to start your discount. You can contact them to create custom coupons, and also you have to track for this one. Another thing also is you will be able to make the profit of USD 50 per every sale you have made, which is going to be helping you to earn such amount of money. It is only that way you can be able to pass through and get to your affiliate account. What you need to, you can be able to come here at the bottom of the page, and it passes through this page. You can see this link, affiliate program, and also what you do is to click here on affiliate program. Once you're done is to come here and be able to come to the same page as you have planned it. What you do is to come here and sign up. Once you click on the sign up, you're gonna be getting to this page where you can be putting your data, including username, password. This can be clicking here and learn more about what you can be able to click, and either username, password. The password again, which will be helping you to log into the website. There is also email address. There is checks to payable to. There is also website address. There is first name, last name, street address, additional address, city, state or provinces, and phone number. So, and also you have to select the country, zip code where you are applying it from. You can see there is a list of all country across the globe. Wherever you are, you can be able to participate in this affiliate marketing, and also you can be able to choose how they should be paying you. You can see there are ways they should be paying you. The first one is check or money order. Another thing is PayPal, where you can be able to receive money through PayPal account. But if you don't have PayPal account, you can be able to receive money through check or money order. So you can now come and read the terms and conditions once you are done, and also if you have tax, SSN number or social security number, VAT and the other thing, you can be able to put it here. But if you don't have it, there is no issue. Once you're done, you can also be able to fill out the security code, which is available here. They're gonna be changing, depends on where you are, and also depends on the location, depends on your IP address and more things. Then you can verify it's that you're a human. Once you are verified with it, you can be click on create my account. Once you click on create my account, now you are ready to start also making money, promoting these banners, and also making money with the affiliate marketing. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section, and also remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel Mox TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.